5 EF1 tornadoes ripped through the River Valley this weekend, leaving homes damaged and still without power today. KNWA's Clarissa Bustamante shows us how Fort Smith homeowners are coping with that destruction.
Next thing I know, they come running in screaming to get in the bathroom. Everything just happens so fast. I mean, it went from pretty skies to a tornado within 2 minutes.
Brandy Simpson holds her 2-month-old baby, grateful that all she lost in Saturday's storms was power and a few trees.
It's amazing that nobody got hurt. I don't know how it's even possible.
With 4 kids to care for inside a dark house, Simpson says adjusting to life after a tornado hasn't been easy.
Insurance only covers so much, so we kind of have to take care of the trees ourselves for most of it.
I'm walking through Cliff Drive in Fort Smith, where residents are still picking up the pieces after an EF1 tornado ripped through these streets. And as you can see behind me, the bomb squad is still here assessing the damage it left behind.
While her home life has changed, her house still stands. Others in the area weren't so lucky.
It's basically a war zone. This lady lost her home completely with a gigantic tree that fell on it.
Tracy McMillan with the Red Cross has been connecting storm victims with the resource they need nonstop since the storms hit.
Since Saturday, we have served 20 individuals with financial needs and also recovery plans.
This means anything from providing food to providing newly homeless families rooms in local hotels. On Cliff Drive, neighbors help each other sort through the debris while coming to terms with what happened.
This has never happened in this neighborhood, so it's definitely a shocker for most people here.
You can see the other folks in, just down the street, just helping each other chop down the trees and get ready, prepared for these next storms that are coming up today and tomorrow.
In Fort Smith, Clarissa Bustamante, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.